Siyempre, tuwing may party, dapat may picturean. At ito na pinakabagong uso ngayon, ang photo station. This isn't your ordinary photo booth. Kung ano ito, ay kukwento sa atin ni Hazel Gonzalez mula sa HD Photography. Good morning, Hazel.
Good morning.
Ayan, welcome. Kailan ba nauso itong mga photo station na ito? Parang ngayon nakikita namin siya usually sa mga events.
We started with our photo station just last year, 2009. Tapos, so mag-1 year pa lang siya sa amin. Ang mas uso talaga yung, mas naunang nauso yung photo booth. So ngayon, we're starting with the photo station.
O ano yung kaibahan ng photo booth sa photo station?
Yeah, with the photo station kasi, we make a setup of a mini photography studio in your event.
Oh.
Yeah.
So parang it's going to a photo studio pero ito kayo ang pupunta dun sa event.
Yes, sa event. Ganyan.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ano usually mga okasyon na madalas na kayo nakikita or iniimbitahan?
So weddings,
yan.
Kasi para siyang awards night.
I love it!
Merong mini photo studio with a backdrop. Tapos yung backdrops natin, napapalitan siya.
Okay.
According to the occasion. Kung wedding, kung debut, kiddie party, meron din tayo. For corporate events, meron din tayo. Yes. Tapos ang good thing with the photo station is kahit marami kayo, groups, yan. Basta't hindi kayo lalagpas dun sa background,
kasya kayo.
Kasya kayo lahat. Pwedeng nakatayo, nakaupo kasi meron kang, you are provided with your own paparazzi.
Aba naman. Ano naman ang packages na meron kayo?
Yeah. The package is consists of isang 8x10 na edited photo of your choice.
Okay.
And then meron ka ring CD of all the images taken.
Okay.
Kasi syempre as a celebrant, hindi mo naman nababantayan lahat ng mga guests mo na nagpapa-photo station. So at the end of the day, if you want to view it, nandun lahat sila. And then that's unlimited shots and unlimited prints also.
Oh.
Yan.
But unlimited, may hours yan, di ba?
That's good for 3 hours.
Good for 3 hours.
That the template also is custom made. So according to the preference of the client, from the colors down to the smallest details na gusto nila, ginagawa natin yan for them.
Alright, so how much is the package and how did they get in touch with you? Anong range?
The package is at 12,000 pesos. Yan. Tapos, we are located, HD Studio is a makeup and a photography studio. We are located sa ground floor of the Torre Venecia Hotel.
Okay.
This is at the 170 Scout Santiago Corner, Timog Avenue, Quezon City. You can call us at 332-3577 or at 0905-2797-187.
Ayan. Thank you so much, Ms. Hazel.
Thank you so much.
And for giving us this opportunity, makapag-posing din kami dito. At syempre, magkakaroon ng challenge yan. Igan,
okay.
to the honors. Thank you, Ms. Hazel.